Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV charging session receipts on EVgo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your EV charging session receipts on EVgo, begin by opening the EVgo app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the charging history section of the app. Here, you will see a list of your previous charging sessions. Select the specific session for which you want to backup the receipt. After selecting the session, look for the option labeled Receipt or Download Receipt. Tap on this option to access your receipt. A detailed receipt will appear on your screen. To save the receipt, look for a download icon or a share option. If using the download icon, tap it to save the receipt directly to your device. Alternatively, if you choose the share option, select your preferred method, such as email or cloud storage. Follow the prompts to complete the sharing or downloading process. Once saved, make sure to check your device's storage location for the receipt file. For further organization, consider creating a folder specifically for your EV charging receipts. Repeat these steps for any other sessions you wish to back up. After you've backed up your receipts, you can easily access them whenever needed. This ensures you have a record of your charging sessions for future reference or expense tracking. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your EV charging session receipts on EVgo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.